Give me 1 second. There we are. For this next portion, I want to demonstrate and elaborate a little bit on what I was talking about earlier with regards to the intuition part of sight singing. You'll notice that my setup now is completely different. On the right side, I have the guide for sight reading melodies and my own personal method, which I will get to shortly. And on the left-hand side, I have this virtual keyboard, courtesy of Recursive Arts. Connected to my computer, I also have a tiny keyboard, a physical one, that I'm using to control this virtual one. Okay, so back to the topic of musical intuition. Say I play something using these 5 notes. What I'm about to play is going to be a short sequence, but it's going to be incomplete. I'm not going to play the last note. And when I would play the last note, I want you to hum it instead. Okay, let's give this a shot. I'm going to start on C. The musical sequence will begin now. Now try to hum what that last pitch is. If you hummed that, you're absolutely correct. So the intuition part is trying to use your personal musical experience and memory to figure out what may be unknown, or soon to be known. Next part, we'll tackle specifically the method, and I'm going to use a couple of sample melodies in that demonstration.